The seat and handlebar heights adjust to accommodate ages 3 to 7 years or a 16 to 23 inseam. The 14X Sport is perfect for future upgrades like Easy Ride Pedal Conversion Kit, sold separately. Weighing in at only 5.7 kilograms, 12.5 pounds, the 14X Sport makes it easy for your child to ride and stride. Mini grips mean little mitts can easily take control and make this lean, mean, durable bike the biggest bang for your buck. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Instant success. That's what we want kids to experience on the Strider 14X Sport. We've assembled all the necessary ingredients to give your tyke a taste of confidence, so your little racer can successfully shift from riding a balance bike to pedaling like a pro as quickly as possible. Why? Because the success your little boy or girl experienced when they ride a Strider begins building confidence they'll use for life. Number 2. Pedals not included. The awesome blue 14X Sport comes as a traditional push balance bike. But once your little rider is ready, you can purchase the Easy Ride Conversion Kit from Strider to add functional pedals, taking this bike to the next level. Number 3. Grows with your child. If your mini-me is sprouting faster than a weed amped up on fertilizer, the 14X is the bike for you. The adjustable seat and handlebars accommodate ages 3 to 7 years, or inseams ranging from 16 to 23 inches, so your little one always has a bike that fits. Number 4. Designed for kids, the lightweight frame with a footrest weighs only 12.5 pounds pre-pedals, making it easy for your child to handle. The footrests are perfect for learning to balance and glide until they're ready for pedals, which can be easily attached when the time comes. Number 5. Made to last bike kit. Kids can be hard on things. The 14X's durable steel frame is designed to last for years. The all-adventure rubber tires are compatible with standard bike pumps, making maintenance a breeze on this riding toy. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.